Tammy's just been out in the pasture, not really doing anything much. She is really breathing hard, and I really don't know why exactly. That left front foot, I've got her splint boot on. That tendon has been sore. I don't know if this is her response because pollens are starting to come out. It's not hot, but there's been more pollen. She's been kept in at night more because of having to be treated for her eye. The eye condition is improving, so that's not causing pain at this point, I don't believe. Hey, kitty, be nice.